Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Freese here again at Freese Forge, and we're leaving Freese Forge. We're on the road today. So you might be wondering where we're going. I'm not exactly sure. I haven't been to this place in quite a long time, but we're going to a blacksmith convention. Vancouver Island Blacksmiths Association meets every month at the end of the month, and I'm gonna go check them out for the first time. We're going for a little drive. Excuse the car, it's a little loud. I've never been to a blacksmith convention before. I have never really even met another one in real life. So this will be a fun experience. I'm not really too sure what to expect. I've never been to one of these things. My only exposure to blacksmithing and other blacksmiths has been through online interaction, basically. So let's go see who we find and maybe some cool stuff along the way. Who knows? It's important to only stop for the most essential of things. I get a extra large coffee, 2 milk, 1 sugar. Great, thank you. Couldn't have asked for a better day for this. I don't know if this is going to be an inside thing or an outside thing. I kind of picture it to be in some kind of big barn. Not really sure.
There you go.
Great, thank you very much. You too. There we go. We got the essentials covered. Back to the road. While not all stereotypes are accurate at all times, I am a firm believer in the fact that stereotypes exist for a reason, and Canada is no exception. This is Island Highway 1. To give you an idea about Canada's only road, or the island's only road, there's no Island Highway 2.
This is Canada. We only have one road. Follow the only road. Follow the only road. To go anywhere in Canada, you just follow the only road. There's only one road in Canada. We call it the road, the only road. Hip hip hooray, let's hear it for our road.
This is a major highway here on Vancouver Island. Some of you folks in the city might have a hard time with that. I've seen your massive highways. This is ours. Single lane, winding through trees and mountains. And it is absolutely gorgeous. This is just a stunning drive. I absolutely love making the drive out here. It's so beautiful, especially in the spring, especially in the fall. Those are two of the most wonderful times to go for a drive. Today is no exception. Today is a beautiful day. Well, we're here. I don't see any signs around, so let's go hunt for some blacksmiths. Well, that looks promising. Wonder if I can find some people. So I managed to find a few blacksmiths here. And a shop to be envious of. Look at all this. Working the pipe, doing good.
Yeah, getting there.
Hot pipe work.
Hot pipe work.
So this guy over here is working on a hammer. Very nice. And as I get in everybody's way, we're making a bottom fuller, yeah?
Yep.
For hammer making.
Or hammer cooking.
Gremlins.
Gremlins. Gremlins. Well,
No. It had a handle. It was mostly made of metal. Got everything I don't, which is most things. Putting the bevel on it. Round it off. Actually, you found your tomahawk, but you lost your wedge? That's on the grinder.
Like 70s up on the bench.
70s up on the bench fixing the old clock.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna be very square.
They have this power running a low heat with it. Yeah. This stuff gets in the office, stuff filtered. The other stuff? Yeah. The leaf is here. You always put the hand you crank up and you leave it.
Well, that was a fun time. Lots of people were here. I made my first link of chain. Turned out all right. Not too bad for a first. I think I'm going to continue on with that one. So each time I light up the fire, make another piece of chain. Light up the fire, make another piece of chain. Each day when I come in, get myself warmed up for the day's work. Burnt a few pieces. Coal is, it gets hot quick. Real quick. I'm amazed. This is my first time ever using coal, and I'm amazed at how long coal lasts in comparison to charcoal. Charcoal, you go through it quick. You had a little bucket of coal there, and we just shovel a little bit more coal into it each time that you needed to, but the times that you needed to were very infrequent, especially in comparison to charcoal. So that was pretty cool. Pretty fun day. Great experience. Learned a few things. Didn't get overloaded. There was no official lessons today or anything like that. There was a demonstration. Unfortunately, I was kind of running out of space here on my phone, so I've got maybe 30 seconds worth of video to record here, and then that's all she wrote. So thank you all very much for watching. This was a very fun experience. I'll definitely be coming back here. I am enrolled or whatever, a member of Vancouver Island Blacksmith Association. So if any of you guys are here from here are watching this video, hello. Thanks for showing me a good time, and see you all next time. Thank you very much for watching. May the force serve you well.